Hello everyone, welcome to GoLogica. Today topic is Oracle C2M Training about Roadmap, about course, Introduction to Customer Care and Billing, Meter Data Management, Operational Device Management, Common Framework Modules, Integration Modules, Salaries, Roles and Responsibilities, Training Program. Now we are discussing about course. The Oracle Customer to Meter course offers a comprehensive understanding of Oracle Unified Platform for utility companies, which merges customer care and billing with meter data management. It is designed for professionals seeking to manage customer interactions, billing processes, and smart meter data through a single solution. The course covers essential functional areas such as customer information management, billing and collections, meter device operations, usage data handling and validation, estimation, and editing. It also introduces users to the Oracle Utilities Application Framework, enabling them to navigate the system, configure user roles, and apply business processes effectively. Participants explore how the platform supports field activity management, smart grid integration, service order processing, and advanced analytics. Real-world utility business scenarios are used to explain the configuration and operation of various modules, helping users connect technical capabilities with utility needs. This course is ideal for consultants, developers, analysts, and utility professionals involved in billing, metering, and customer care operations. By the end, learners are prepared to support and optimize Oracle C2M solutions in utility environments, driving efficiency and better customer experiences. Optional certification paths are available for those seeking formal validation of their knowledge. Let's get started with introduction of customer care and billing. Oracle Customer Care and Billing is a powerful application designed to manage customer information, billing, and revenue collection for utility companies. It enables utilities to deliver accurate billing, efficient customer service, and effective revenue management. CCNB handles customer account creation, service connection, disconnection, complex rate structures, and billing for electric, gas, or water services. Key functionalities include billing calculations, payment processing, collections, credit management, and service order tracking. It supports high-volume transactions and integrates seamlessly with meter data systems and field service platforms. The system also allows customization of workflows and business rules to meet specific utility requirements. With CCNB, utilities can improve customer satisfaction, reduce operational costs, and ensure compliance with regulatory standards. It plays a critical role in the meter-to-cash cycle, making it a central component of modern utility operations, especially when integrated into platforms like Oracle C2M. Let's understand meter data management. Meter data management is a core component of Oracle C2M that enables utility companies to efficiently handle large volumes of meter data from smart meters. MDM ensures accurate data collection, validation, estimation, and editing (VE) of consumption data before it is used for billing or analysis. It supports interval and non-interval data, providing the foundation for time-of-use billing, demand response, and energy efficiency programs. MDM interfaces with various advanced metering infrastructure systems to automate meter reads and capture events like outages or tampering. MDM also enables usage calculations, load profiling, and data aggregation, allowing utilities to offer more detailed insights to customers and internal departments. Through Oracle's Utilities Application Framework, MDM ensures secure, scalable, and configurable data processing that supports modern utility operations. Overall, MDM in C2M is vital for data-driven decision-making, regulatory compliance, and customer engagement in smart utility networks. Now, let's explore operational device management. Operational device management in Oracle C2M focuses on the end-to-end management of smart meters and field devices used in utility operations. It ensures that these devices are monitored, maintained, and integrated effectively within the customer-to-meter lifecycle. Key responsibilities include tracking device life cycles, managing device events and alarms, and overseeing field activity execution. When a meter sends alerts such as tamper notifications or communication failures, this module captures and processes those events in real time. It also facilitates automated scheduling and dispatching of field activities, ensuring quick responses to service issues or installation tasks. Devices can be remotely connected or disconnected, reducing manual intervention and improving service delivery. By providing a centralized view of all operational devices and their statuses, this module helps utilities maintain data accuracy, ensure regulatory compliance, and support AMI integration. It's critical for enabling smart grid functionality and proactive maintenance strategies. Learn about common framework modules. The common framework modules in Oracle C2M form the backbone of the platform, providing essential services and shared functionalities across both the customer care and billing and meter data management components. Built on the Oracle Utilities Application Framework, these modules ensure a consistent, scalable, and efficient system architecture. One of the key components is business process automation, which allows organizations to automate complex workflows and tasks using configurable business rules. The user interface configuration feature enables easy customization of screens and menus for different user roles, enhancing user experience without the need for custom development. Security and access control ensures that users have role-based access to data and functions, maintaining system integrity and compliance. Other critical features include the batch processing engine, which manages high-volume operations like billing and data synchronization, and messaging and integration services, which enable smooth interaction with external systems through real-time and batch interfaces. Additionally, audit and logging capabilities help track changes and user activity for transparency, while localization and multi-language support allow utilities to operate across regions with different languages and settings. These common modules collectively provide the foundation for robust, flexible, and streamlined utility operations. Now we learn about integration modules. The integration modules in Oracle C2M ensure seamless communication between internal components and external utility systems. These modules are essential for enabling efficient data exchange, system interoperability, and real-time operations. One key component is the Smart Grid Gateway, which connects C2M with various advanced metering infrastructure and head-end systems. It facilitates two-way communication for meter reads, events, and commands. C2M also supports integration with GIS, CRM, outage management systems, and enterprise resource planning platforms using predefined web services and middleware tools. This allows for automated data flow across systems such as customer onboarding, billing, service orders, and meter events. The platform uses the Oracle Utilities Application Framework to ensure consistent integration logic and configuration standards. These integration capabilities are crucial for creating a smart utility ecosystem, supporting real-time decision-making, and enhancing operational visibility across all departments. Next, we know about the salary, roles, and responsibilities of Oracle C2M. Oracle C2M Functional Consultant configures and implements Oracle C2M modules such as customer care, billing, and meter data management. Typically earns between $70,000 and $120,000 per year. Oracle C2M Technical Consultant develops customizations, integrations, and extensions for Oracle C2M using Oracle Utilities Application Framework. Salary ranges from $80,000 to $130,000 per year. Oracle C2M Business Analyst gathers utility business requirements, designs solution workflows, and ensures Oracle C2M aligns with operational needs. Can expect to earn between $75,000 and $125,000 annually. Oracle C2M System Administrator manages system configurations, user access, and supports ongoing maintenance of Oracle C2M environments. Generally makes between $65,000 and $110,000 per year. Oracle C2M Solution Architect designs and oversees complex Oracle C2M implementations, integration strategies, and best practices across utility operations. Salary typically ranges from $95,000 to $160,000 per year. Oracle C2M implementation lead leads end-to-end Oracle C2M deployment projects, including configuration, testing, and go-live support, earns between $85,000 and $140,000 annually. Oracle C2M project manager manages Oracle C2M project timelines, resources budgets, and stakeholder communications. Can expect salaries from $90,000 to $155,000 per year. Oracle C2M product manager defines roadmap and product strategy for Oracle C2M solutions within utilities, driving adoption and enhancement. Salary ranges between $100,000 and $170,000 annually. Enhance your learning path. GoLogica Oracle C2M course is a comprehensive program designed to equip professionals with in-depth knowledge of Oracle customer to meet a solution for utilities. This course is ideal for functional consultants, technical consultants, business analysts, and utility professionals seeking to optimize customer care, billing, and meter data management processes. The course covers both fundamental and advanced topics, including customer account management, billing cycles, meter data validation, device management, and integration with smart grid technologies. Participants will learn to configure C2M modules, manage workflows, automate business processes, and handle data exchange between systems such as AMI, GIS, and CRM. GoLogica delivers this program through live instructor-led sessions, fostering an interactive learning environment. Practical exercises, real-world case studies, and project-based assignments ensure hands-on experience. Flexible options, including self-paced and corporate training, make it accessible to diverse learners, aiming to enhance operational efficiency and customer satisfaction in utility companies.